Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Tejasvi, please introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. And I'm Tejasri Bakya Margam. Basically, I'm from Sholapur, Maharashtra, and I have did my schooling from BMP Kanya Prashala, my 12th from Walchand College of Arts and Science, and currently I'm pursuing my BTech from Walchand Institute of Technology under Solapur University in Information Technology. As far as my technical skills concerned, I know how to work upon C, C++, Python, Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and DBMS. I have also did my internships in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and DBMS, PHP. My hobbies includes cooking, dancing, and painting. Goal of my life is to become self-satisfied and successful person, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Can you tell me about your academic projects?
Yes, sir. I have in third year we did a mini project based on the plasma donation system. Shall I explain, sir?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, sir. In that system, we have provided the modules. We have provided a platform for both the donor of the plasma and the receiver. So it's a free platform for all the receivers and the donors. Donor can donate plasma on this platform by registering himself, by entering his COVID recovery date and the blood group, etc. And receiver can search for donor by his search location or by his blood group. So this was a free platform for both of them. This was our project, sir.
Okay.
And the technologies we used for front end, we used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and the back end we used MySQL and PHP.
Okay. So, can you tell me a difference between the SQL and MySQL?
SQL and MySQL.
As you are used, no? As you have gone through the SQL.
Yes, sir. SQL is a structured query language where we have different types as DDL, DML, DQ, DCL, TCL, and TQL. These are the types of SQL commands we get, and DCL for data control language, where the common commands used in data control language. We control the database here using DCL commands. The examples are grant, to grant the permission for the particular database, and permit. These commands are commonly used in DCL. And TCL, transaction control language. Here we perform the operations on transaction. The common commands here used are rollback and commit. Rollback means if you get any error at the particular stage while transaction, it will roll back, means it will just undo the all processes. And
Oh,
commit means if successfully completed, it will successfully complete all the process.
okay. Can you tell me MySQL? What is MySQL?
Sir, MySQL is
Whether it uses SQL language?
yes, sir, same as SQL language we use in MySQL.
No, what
The
actually
the DML queries.
what actually MySQL? Is it a MySQL is a server or is it a database? What it is?
Sir, it is a database.
Okay. Can you tell me difference between SQL and PLSQL?
Yes, sir. In SQL, we can perform the operations such as uh, modification, updation, insertion, creating the relation schema, and granting permissions, and etc. These we can done using SQL. But what happens in PLSQL is we can perform functions also. We can create arrays, functions there. We can use classes, objects, and we can create the procedures wherein we save the procedure, and whenever we want to use that procedure, we can call that procedure itself.
Okay.
And we can platform for PLSQL is only Oracle, sir.
Okay. Now, can you write the SQL query by
Yes, sir.
sharing? Yeah, you just share the screen.
Okay, sir. Just a minute, sir.
Means here you can write the SQL query to find the names of the employees that start with A.
Start with A. Okay.
A.
Sir, table name, random table name should I?
Yeah, you can take random.
Okay, and which column should I fetch, sir? The name only.
Name, only
Okay,
employee
sir.
names start with A. You can just increase the font size for Notepad.
Okay, sir. Just a minute.
So which operator here used in SQL?
To fetch the records, we use select statement.
Okay.
Sir, now is it visible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. First, the select clause is used to fetch all the records, and here we declare the column names. Select employee name from. Here I we give the table name as TBL1. Where clause is used to give the condition. So name a percent, uh, employee name. So it's done. So
Means whether this query it gives all the employee name with A.
yes, sir. All the employee names, all the record. It will fetch all the records.
Okay. Suppose if I replace in after the select employee name, you are written employee in place of employee name. If I write star, what happens?
Sir, each and every column will get fetched. Here, star means all columns from table one table are fetched.
And whatever the previously you are written, what you are
Only
written, what is
employee
the
name,
difference?
only employee name column will be fetched here. In this case, if we give a star, each and every column will get fetched. If table one consists employee ID, employee name, employee address, and employee salary, these all columns will get fetched if we give a star.
Okay. Can you tell me the different types of case manipulation function available in SQL,
Case manipulation functions in SQL. Uh,
like lower case, lower, upper? Don't know. Okay.
no, sir,
What do
no
you mean by
exactly.
data definition language?
Data DDL commands.
Yeah.
Sir, here we define the database in using the DDL commands, such as create and alter, create database, create table, alter database, alter table. These commands are used in DDL.
Okay. And what about DML?
So data manipulation language. Here we modify the data which have been created using DDL commands. We can here modify or delete or truncate the whole data of the table or database, and where clause, having clause. These all clauses are of includes in DML commands.
Okay. What is view in SQL?
We've um,
Do
we've
you know the syntax of view to create a view?
sir, not exactly, sir, but
Okay.
I have idea about it. We here we create the view of the database or table.
Okay.
The
What do you mean
structure.
by foreign key?
Sir, foreign key is the reference. wherein we have two tables as A table and B table. A table having primary key as roll number, and B table, in B table we, if we want to fetch the records of A table, we can use the concept of foreign key. What foreign key does is, we can declare the primary key of the other table, A table, in if we declare the roll number as foreign key, it will give the reference of that A table.
Means it points to the primary key of the another table.
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Using that key, we can fetch the whole record,
okay.
the whole tuple.
Okay. What is join operation in SQL, and what are the different types?
Okay, sir. Using join, we can fetch the common tuples, using conditions, using various conditions. We can fetch the common tuples between two tables. There are many types of joins, such as natural join, outer join. In outer join, we have three more subtypes, as left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join.
Okay. Can you tell me what is inner join?
Yes, sir. In inner join, we only the common tuples are fetched, by by which we give the condition. Depending upon the condition, only the common tuples will get fetched. It's like the intersection of A and B.
Okay. Inner join.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then full join.
Full outer join, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Here, it's like the union of the left outer join and right outer join. The all tuples from table 1 and table 2 get fetched, and if at some point we get non common points, the tuples, the record will assign to null. If shall I give example here, sir?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. This is my table 1, and this is my table 2. Okay. If I want to do a operation of full outer join on these two tables, all the tuples from table 1 and table 2 will get fetched, and the out result will be role, name, marks. Here we see we have no common tuples in table 1 and table 2, depending upon this roll number. We
Okay.
have no common tuples, so it will fetch all the tuples, but it will assign the null values to the tables as A, N, G. So this will be the result.
Okay.
No matter we have a common tuples or not, it will fetch all the results, but it will assign the non-common tuples to 0.
Okay. Okay. Can you open a online editor? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Open an editor and perform addition of two linked lists.
Addition of two linked list.
Yeah.
Using Python, sir, should
Uh,
I?
yeah. You can use any language. And so in the first list, you take 5 elements. In the second list, you take 3 elements and perform the addition. So before that, in the notepad only, you just open the notepad.
Okay, sir.
Uh, Okay. Okay. So you take any five numbers, least one. Okay. Okay. Then list two. It contains. You take three elements.
Okay, sir.
No, no. You perform the addition.
Okay, sir. What if I have here in this condition I don't have the equal size of two lists? Should I assign the next elements to zero, sir, for adding these two tuples, sir?
Okay. You can add zeros.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just you press Control plus plus. You increase the size of browser. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, this was my code for getting the input, and now what is the
Have you done this type of program previously?
no, sir. I have did in C as adding two matrices, but not like this.
Okay.
Therein we had a square, two square matrix of equal I in list. For I in range of
So while adding in the list, what is the logic? How you add?
sir, I have took a for loop uh, for in range of length one is the size of list one.
No,
uh,
how you can you open that your notepad?
yes, sir. Here
Now, uh,
yes, sir.
now 1 2 3 4 5, and in the list two, now 0 0 4 5 7 will be there, right?
Yes, sir.
0 0 4 5 7. So just add it 0 0 2 in the list two.
Okay, sir.
No, left side. You need to add zero at the left side. 0 comma 0. Okay.
Huh.
So now, how you add from right side or from left side? How you add the elements? How
Uh,
you perform the addition?
Sir, from left side, I take a for loop.
No, but normally the addition, how you perform the addition? Like 5 plus 7
Yes, sir.
from right side,
1
no?
plus 0, then 2 plus 0, then 3 plus 4, and then 4 plus 5, and then 5 plus 7.
But
By
4 plus,
comparing,
no, but 4 plus 5, you will get 9. But actually, well, normally when we do the addition, 5 plus 7 means it's a 12. The carry will go, no?
um,
What is the logic? How you perform the addition? What you can do here?
if I get carry,
No, normally like addition. So addition means you will get a correct result. Suppose if you perform like the from right side 5 plus 12, you will get a carry. Then 5 4 and carry, that is 10. Is it right?
okay, sir, should I add the whole number? Means this and this.
No, just I'm asking means how you can perform this type of addition.
Sir, uh, the the first method is we can concatenate this whole digit and this digit. This all values of list, we can concatenate them and perform the operation on them. Hello.
Suppose if you reverse the string, how is it possible? By reversing, and you can perform the addition. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Huh? No problem. Okay. Now, can you just swap? Can you exchange the two like the first and last number in a list?
First and last.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. So this is my code to swap the elements, sir. The first and last in the list.
Okay. No, are you getting any result? Like you take some 5 element. See, you take 5 element.
So shall
One
I
one.
run this code, sir?
Yeah.
So just a minute. So I have swapped the two elements, the first and last.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, do you know Pascal triangle?
Uh, I don't remember it exactly, sir.
Okay. So in the notepad, you just write down.
Okay, sir.
Uh, no, you bring the cursor in the middle. You press space bar. No,
Yes, sir.
not enter. Space bar. Space bar button in
Yes, sir.
keyboard. Okay. Write 1.
Huh.
In the next row, 1 1 1 1 1 space 1. Next line,
Yes, sir.
1
One
space,
space.
again space, 2 space, some space, and 1. Okay, next line, 1 1 plus 2 3. No, you just there are four digits will come here in the next row. So 1 3 3 1, 4 digits, 1 3 3 1. Okay, next
Yes.
line, 1 4 1 4 6 4 1, 1 4 6 4 1.
Yes, sir.
Next, 1 5 10 1 5 10 10 5 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you generate such a Pascal triangle? So here it is like in the second row. In the first row it is a 1, second row 1 1. So in the third row it is a addition, 1, then 2 means is addition of the above 2, 1 plus 1. So in the next row you can see 1 3 means 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 1 3, and 1. Can you generate this Pascal triangle
Yes, sir.
pattern?
Sir, I will write the logic here itself first.
Okay.
If I'm having, if I want to print the 4 lines, n equals to 4, then
Do you know what is Pascal triangle? It is the addition of
yes,
sum
sir,
of.
I have got it. We start from the initial, then we add the, we found this output by adding these two
Yes.
numbers. Here, 1 plus 2 gives 3. Here, 2 plus 1 gives 3. Here, we don't have one more number here, so we give the initial and the last number is 1 only.
Okay.
Sir, these two numbers I will these two numbers will be always 1, so I will print it manually. I will print 1. Then,
Yeah, there is some network problem is there from your side. Yes, Tejasri, am I audible?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, am I audible now? Yeah,
Ketu?
so now?
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
My sorry, sir. Sorry for inconvenience.
Yeah, see, that's why this mock interview will help you to overcome such things, and from
Yes,
next
sir.
time means you have to take care of such things like the data, okay, internet pack and all,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Means you can check the like the need, and because you are using your video and all, no, so it consumes more data, so bandwidth should be good while giving the interview, so you take care of in the final interview.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so okay, so is it possible? Can you solve that?
Sir, I was trying to solve this, sir, but it's little difficult for me, sir.
Okay, okay, you can practice it. So,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me the different OSI layers?
Yes, sir. There are various layers such as uh, the application layer, network layer, physical layer, and presentation layer.
So, can you tell me what is physical layer? What is the use of that?
Uh, yes, sir.
Data link layer, network layer. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me some the Linux commands?
Linux commands. Uh, make to create the directory, we use the mkdir command, sir, and to sir, I don't remember all the commands exactly, sir, in Linux.
Okay, some at least main important. Well, what is PWD command?
pwd.
A password? Is it for password? PWD command.
uh, no, sir, I don't remember.
I think you have gone through no operating system subject.
Yes, sir, I have gone through.
Okay. Then RMDIR command.
To remove the directory, use rmdir.
Okay. Then ls.
ls gives the all the files which are present in your system. ls.
Okay. Then the command that is used to create a file or display the content of a file or copy the
um,
content of one file to another. Which command is used?
to copy.
Yeah. Copy content from one file to another file. What is a CP command?
cp I guess cp is the command to copy, sir. I don't remember exactly, but I guess
Okay. Okay.
we where we give two
Okay.
files, source and destination.
Okay. Can you tell me difference between the C programming and C++ programming language?
Yes, sir. C is a function oriented and C++ is object oriented programming. C mainly focuses on the methodology, and CPP focuses more on the object oriented concepts.
Then,
And CPP is more dynamically oriented programming language.
okay. Which one is like better compared C and C++ language?
Sir, I prefer C++, sir.
Why?
Sir, because in C and C++ both are similar, but more concepts in C are based on the static and linear address memory assignments. Sir. In C++, we can dynamically use the functions, dynamically use various functions, functionalogy, which makes our programs and our product more efficient.
What are the primitive data types in C++?
Sir, in integer, we get two types, int and char, and floating point are float and double.
Okay. Is C programming language, is C is a subset of C++?
Yes,
C,
sir, we can say the concepts which are in C++ are also in C, but there are some concepts which are not in C, but we have the concepts in C++.
means so as per your opinion, C++ is a superset of C.
C++ is superset of C. Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Where we can see the namespace features in C or C++.
C++, sir.
Why?
Uh,
Namespace.
using namespace, wherein we declare the scope to the particular namespaces such as std and std. We give the scope and we declare that using namespace.
What are the class and object in C++?
Class is the encapsulation of the data members and data functions. uh, is class, and class is also referred as a new abstract data type. So it's we can say it's a new user defined data types. And object, if we want to use the class, we initialize the object, sir. To use the member functions and the data members, we use the object.
So is object is instance of class,
Yes, sir.
or class is instance of object?
Object is instance of class, sir. We can When we declare a class, the it will not initialize the memory. uh, when only we declare the object, it will the memory will initialize the memory to data members, and member functions of the class will get initialized.
What is operator overloading?
Operator overloading, sir, we have the operators in C++ such as arithmetic, unary, and ternary operators here. There are some methodology using which we can overload, or we can overload the operators.
What exactly it is? Why we use?
Uh, why we use?
Can you explain with one example? Is it possible? Operator overloading.
Yes, sir. Uh, Sir, is my screen visible,
Yes,
sir?
yes, visible.
I will take one class, sir.
Is it helpful to like this operator overloading?
Yes, sir.
Very means to perform some operations on user defined data types.
Yes, sir. It's helpful, sir. We know we don't need to perform operations. When we assign operator here in main function or any function, it will automatically call that overloaded function and perform the following operations based on that operator, sir.
Okay. Can you explain with one example? Is it possible?
Yes, sir. I will try, sir. Yes. Shall I go with unary operator, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir. In unary operator, we change the sign of the number. If an integer number is 5, it will return the negative of that number. If it's positive, it will return negative.
Okay. Can you tell me a constructor in C++?
Yes, sir. Constructor is it's like it's a special member function of the class, which will get automatically invoked when we create the object. Constructor member function is used to initialize the object. It enables the object to initialize itself when we create the object, sir.
Whether the constructor name is same as the class name?
Yes, sir. The constructor name is same as the class name, and if we don't define any constructor in class, it will automatically call the default constructor, which is called as default constructor by the compilers, sir.
Then what is about a return type in constructor?
Sir, we don't have any return type for constructor, but
Sure.
we can have parameters.
Okay. Okay, you can stop the sharing.
Yes, sir. Just a minute.
Okay, Tejas, first of all, like in the first the introduction, tell me about yourself.
Yes, sir.
Like no need to explain all the details. Okay, as I think you have covered your hobbies and all, your strength and all. You no need to cover all the details. Okay, it should be a 30 second or 45 second. You need to just brief about yourself. Okay, no need to
Yes,
go
sir.
in depth, and revise the all the core subject concepts. Okay, because you should not say don't know, or just I will you are not remember and all,
Yes, sir.
because as you are gone through all these things. Okay, so you need to go through the core subjects,
Yes,
and
sir.
the even the energy level is like if the as you explain very calmly, that is means it is good. Like uh, so you are explaining means you are not even there is no nervousness and all, I can see in your face. Okay, that is
Yes, sir.
okay. You are handling the questions and all. Okay, even though suppose if you not you don't know the if you don't even you are not knowing the exact logic, but you are trying. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
that is good thing. And but in the interview you at least you try to revise, because you have this time. Okay,
Yes,
you
sir.
have time, and you just remember revise all the concepts from the computer networking operating system and all. And you will get the coding question also in the technical interview to perform to okay,
Okay,
at
sir.
least you should try. Okay, you should
Yes, sir.
try for the coding. And you take care about your dressing and all. Okay, while giving the
Yes, sir.
interview.
Yes, sir.
Okay. and go through the projects, and it is depend upon the interviewer. Okay, it is not like, because as we know, like there are some students are they face the interview and the what is the pattern and all, but it is depend upon the interview also. They may ask, they may not be asked, so you should be ready for all the things. Okay.
Yes, sir. I will
uh,
focus on CN and SC concepts.
okay. Okay. So, and also like the your laptop battery backup and all, you need to check that internet connectivity. Okay. Means
Yes, sir.
even means if suppose if there is any such a problem also, you immediately you have to reconnect within the 15 20 seconds or 30 seconds. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because
Okay, sir.
otherwise the interviewer, they won't wait. Okay, they will just because uh, they won't consider such mistake. It is from the mistake from your side, and
Yes,
interviewer,
sir.
they will just drop the call.
Sir,
Okay.
I have got news as today where we had a advanced coding interview. One student was there.